Hey everyone! The Hisense M7 Mini-LED TV enters the US market with a very clear mission: bring Mini-LED technology to buyers who normally shop in the budget aisle. Available in 50-inch, 55-inch, and 65-inch sizes and aggressively priced at major retailers like Walmart, the M7 immediately positions itself as a disruptive option. At the core of the M7 is its 4K UHD panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and a native 60 Hz refresh rate. Compared to traditional LED backlights, Mini-LED uses significantly smaller diodes, allowing for more precise control of brightness zones. The practical result is stronger contrast, deeper blacks, and punchier highlights. Hisense pairs this hardware with its high QLED color technology, which focuses on maintaining color vibrancy without washing out bright areas. In well-lit living rooms, where many budget TVs struggle, the M7 manages to preserve color saturation and clarity. Skin tones remain natural, and vivid content such as animated films or sports broadcasts benefits from enhanced color accuracy. HDR support is another area where the M7 exceeds expectations for a budget television. Compatibility with HDR10+, HLG, and Dolby Vision ensures that users can take advantage of dynamic metadata where available. Dolby Vision content, in particular, looks more refined, with better brightness mapping and improved scene-by-scene optimization. Hisense integrates AI-driven processing features to further enhance picture quality. The 4K upscaler analyzes lower-resolution content by examining textures and edges, attempting to restore lost detail. Standard HD broadcasts and even older 720p material appear sharper and more refined than on entry-level 4K sets without advanced processing. While no upscaler can create true native 4K detail from low-resolution sources, the M7 does a commendable job reducing softness and digital noise. On the smart TV front, the M7 runs on Google TV, offering a modern and intuitive interface. Access to popular streaming platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+ is seamless, and content recommendations are personalized through Google's ecosystem. Built-in Google Cast allows wireless screen mirroring from compatible smartphones and tablets, while Google Assistant enables voice control for searching content, adjusting settings, or controlling smart home devices. Connectivity is comprehensive for this class. 4 HDMI 2.0 inputs accommodate multiple devices, such as gaming consoles, streaming boxes, and sound systems. In everyday use, the Hisense M7 feels like a television designed to maximize value without cutting essential features. Its Mini-LED backlighting delivers visible improvements in contrast compared to standard LED sets in the same price range. HDR support is robust, the smart platform is feature-rich, and gaming enhancements add practical benefits for console users. Ultimately, the Hisense M7 4K Mini-LED TV stands out as one of the most compelling budget-friendly Mini-LED options currently available in the United States. By combining modern display technology, strong HDR compatibility, intelligent processing, and a full-featured smart platform, Hisense demonstrates that advanced picture quality is no longer reserved exclusively for premium price tiers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.